episode 10. 10. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. She counts, okay? Thank you all so much for being here. There's no me without you, and there is no you without me. We in this thing together. All right, and we only go on what? Up from here. You get it? So we're breaking fast together. It's getting warmer out, so juice don't always cut it. I mean, if we live somewhere tropical, which we will be very soon, but if we live somewhere tropical, we would just be juicing to break fast. But it's cold in these Baltimore streets. Y'all know this is the coldest winter ever around this parts, okay? And we're breaking fast with a fancy oatmeal. I like to call it fancy because you're gonna see what we're gonna do. And we have some aki that my friends down in Florida brought up for me because I'm a spoiled little baby and people bring me gifts of fruit and vegetables from their gardens. It's like my favorite part about my life ever. And we're gonna be featuring some PUMFU. This is one of my favorite alternatives to meat because it don't have no soy, it don't have no gluten, and it is made from pumpkin seeds, so that gives a lot of protein, okay? Because we need that. You know, having this non-meat diet, protein is something that we do need, and pumpkin seeds give you plenty. All right, so let's get into it. First, we're gonna start with our oatmeal. We have some rolled oats. I'm gonna add that. It's about a cup or so. And we are using this vanilla oat milk because we like flavor, and water just not gonna cut it. Like, no, I'm not playing with y'all. And how much do you put in? You know, that much. You can leave it here. And then for our, we're gonna just let this do its thing for a second. So I'm gonna put this over here. That's on about medium. This is how we do things, you know what I'm saying? And then we're gonna add in some stuff later, but we'll get there when we get there. All right, for the fun stuff, the sausage crumble. So we're gonna do something new where we are going to try to make this into sausage. If it doesn't work, it'll just remain crumble, but let's see if we can do it together. I hope y'all having a good season, because I am. I'm so glad y'all are here. We made it to episode 10, y'all. Can I get an applause? Thanks. I heard y'all. Thank you. I'm a big girl. If y'all know me, we just gonna leave it right there. If y'all know me, it took us some time to get here, but mama, we made it. I'm proud. Okay, y'all, so again, this is a crumble. So you know what? We're not going to play like we're going to try to reshape this. We just going to make it into long sausage links. That's how that's about to look. Because we can make stuff however we want. We don't got to play y'all game. It don't have to be round. This is going to be our PUMFU sausage. Let's turn this on. This one about medium too. Okay, 4 pieces is fine. Do know once you use this, and you can use a little bit, but you do have to use it within 5 days of opening and keep it refrigerated. I'm not gonna tell y'all how many people do not read the back of labels of like how you're supposed to store stuff. You gotta read everything. Read the ingredients, okay? If you can't pronounce them, put it back. Also read how you're supposed to store stuff, because everything don't go on your cabinet, bruh. Like, and some stuff have a clear expiration date on it. That's why y'all be getting sick, because y'all don't read. Reading is key. Okay. Y'all like that? All right, so we're gonna put this back in the fridge, because that's where it goes. Keep refrigerated. Oh, actually, you can use this within 5 days of opening, or you can freeze it. Okay. Thank you, PUMFU. Paying on, good. Everything's great. We just got our oatmeal. Let's check that. So I like my oatmeal to be like not too soft, but not too hard. Again, you know, we like things balanced. So with the rolled oats, you do have to, this not instant oats, you know what I'm saying? Instant oats just come out mushy. Rolled oats, which are better for you, Google it, they come out not so mushy. So that's how we like those, okay? You can get them about £1 at Mom's. That's going on that. Our pan is getting hot. Let's turn it up a little bit. Okay. So I'm not gonna use any oil or anything like that because I want mine to get kind of like burnt up like sausage. So we're just gonna put it in the pan and let it do its thing. Okay, there we go. Listen, I know all you meat eaters are like, that do not look like sausage. It don't, cause it's not. I'm not here trying to be like, oh, this is that. No, 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 no. This is called PUMFU, sausage crumble. That's what it is. So that's what we're doing. It's gonna be bomb though. Know that. It is already seasoned, but we like things a little spicy, so we're gonna add some cayenne. I just decided that, so let me find the cayenne. All right. We won't need to add nothing else because they do a good job of seasoning their stuff. Okay, so let me tell you about the spices we have. Let's go make our oatmeal fancy. We got some cardamom because cardamom makes everything taste rich, and we are here for the good life. We've got some cinnamon, cloves, and nutmeg. This is our spice blend. So we'll just take a little bit of each of those, add it in. We got our cardamom. This is like one of my favorite blends because all the brown colors, because we like brown. And it's just so good. You can literally put it with, I don't know, almost anything. So, and then for our sweetener, we're using maple syrup. You're gonna find the best grade you can, you know. No judgments, but just do the best you can. You know what I'm saying? Just do the best you can. I'm gonna just leave it there. Back to our soy-free, buttery spread because we like butter. Like, I'm not about to play with y'all. So I'm gonna add us a nice amount of that in. Oatmeal without butter don't even sound right to me. This is taking me back to childhood. Oh my gosh, oatmeal for breakfast, bruh. I remember at one point when I was living uptown and would walk to school on a Shepherd Elementary. Go Mustangs, whoo. Although I did not graduate from there. But anyway, having oatmeal and getting like Vaseline all over you, like I would be so warm in the winter just because of the oatmeal. Warm on the inside and warm on the outside. But this for all your children. Make some oatmeal for them like this. All right. So that's doing its thing. Okay, y'all, everything is gonna be ready at the same time. So we're gonna just turn this down because oatmeal do be trying to bubble over. That's going. Y'all. Boy, that client got my ass. It's okay. We strong. She played too much. Like, what the fuck? It's okay. This is like real life. This is what happens. Do not edit none of that out. This is what happens in my actual real life. It's gonna be good just like that. Okay. We have some aki that I made last night, and we're gonna repurpose it and use it as our eggs for the breakfast because it looks just like scrambled eggs. Aki is a fruit. It comes on a tree. You can Google all this stuff. A-C-K-E-E. It's so good. In the Caribbean, they be adding like saltfish and stuff, but we don't do that anymore. But aki and saltfish is bomb. If you know, you know. But we just did peppers, onions, tomatoes, like this. So we're gonna just add that in, just reheat that up a little bit, cause all this about to be ready. I'm excited. Y'all see my girl? It say meow. She a big cat. Her. Okay, let's just move some of this stuff out of our way. I'm gonna pretend like it's gone. Okay. That's all doing this thing. This doing this thing. Let's check on this. Okay, we turn this oatmeal off. And then we about to plate all this up. Y'all, quick and easy. This is why we are here doing Denver's Delights. All this stuff is delightful. And delightfulness is quick, easy, simple. For me, at least. Okay. Y'all, I think I'm killing me and the cameraman, so we gotta get this stuff up over here. That cayenne is not playing with us at all. Okay. Oh wait, no. Get some of this stuff out of the way. Not gonna be burning up my stuff. Okay. We want to add some avocado to our plate. That look good. Okay, the avocado is stuck together. That's okay. Ooh. There we go. Y'all can go together. Then we get our bowl. Let me wash my hands. Get our bowl going. I'm gonna put it right here because I like everything being close together. Let me get another bowl because that one is cracked. I broke it the other day on accident. Okay. Y'all be trying to keep things looking pretty, but you know. Yeah, I made one of my neighbors some oatmeal the other day. They were like, Denver, you got some cereal? It's like, no, I don't. I have warm cereal, aka oatmeal. They were like, dang, I don't feel like making none. I said, it's okay, you want me to make some for you? That's how you treat your neighbors. That's how I treat people. I treat people how I want to be treated. And he loved it. All right, so we're gonna add our oatmeal in. Ooh, look how creamy and good this looks. And we're gonna make it even better. Okay, that's enough for us. All right, we're gonna add in some coconut cream, not coconut milk, coconut cream. Let's unplug this. All right, so we're gonna add a little bit of that on top. Yeah, that look good. And add some of these blueberries. That look good. And then where's our spice blend? We'll just add some for, you know, color. And there we go. How quick was that? How easy was that? Right? You'll love it. Your children will love it. Everyone will be very, very happy that they have all the things that you remember as a child, but in a better version, because you'll go to school or work or wherever you go after you eat feeling full and not. Anyway, all right, so again, You go over here. We got our PUMFU sausage. We've got our Aki scrambled eggs, avocado, and our fancy oatmeal. Like, what else do you need? Oh, for me to taste it, right? Y'all, these girls in eating just don't be it. But it's okay. We're gonna take one for the team. All right, we're gonna start the oatmeal after we pray. Ashe. Bomb. Let's try this. This is how I eat stuff together. So we're gonna do the sausage with the egg. I'm about to crush this. It's so good. Thank y'all for being here on our 10th episode. Who is she? A big girl. All right, love y'all. Peace.